got windows here you can't show. Now you can show my screen.
Now I'm showing his screen. He's over here doing math on potential opportunities for later. Dre in the office with us. Dre, you good? Gucci? Dre, we got batteries and powders in, right?
Yeah, we do.
So
the batteries with the lid. We just got the restock of powder. Let's run it.
all right, real quick, guys, look, Pure Powder is in stock. We got quite a few in. So if you're a fan of Pure Powder, make sure you place your order now, Tomb45.com. We also have them on Amazon if you don't know about Amazon. People love it because of the service. It's a great partner to have if you are trying to have different avenues of sales with your products. Just keep in mind, profit margins are much smaller. So yeah, Tomb45.com for Pure Powder. But if you like Amazon services, it's on Amazon as well. Please do leave a review. We also have Tomb45 Eco batteries in stock for the wall clipper. Any wall clipper, seniors, magic clips, Sterlings, all that good stuff. We have quite a bit in stock. We ship every day, Monday through Friday, business days. Place your order for the battery, you will get yours. The batteries, they sell out quick, man. Like, it's hard to keep them in stock, especially right now with supply chain issues. A lot of you guys have been asking me about the babyliss battery update. One of the babyliss batteries coming in, so Danny's gonna tell you right now.
Actually, we're not even gonna announce it, right? We're just gonna announce it on the IG. So
Yeah.
we'll only announce it on IG. We're only gonna have enough for the first few sales.
Yeah.
And then after the first few sales, we should be receiving no later than a couple of months the large shipment. But we're
Okay.
gonna have a few, right, not pre-sales. There's gonna be early adopters that are gonna receive the first batch.
Cool, and if you're part of the Academy, you will find out first on the Academy.
That's right.
All right, cool. All right, fellas, I still know where the warehouse is. I'll be back again, trust me. We in the Tesla today. I gotta go to Best Buy to get some stuff because I'm setting up my office, my desk and everything. That's part of why I haven't been dropping as much content as I'd like to. Part of it is because I don't have my setup like that because I'm moving into the crib. But I really want to get that setup looking good, freshened up. So going now to go get stuff to make that happen. And I'll take you guys along with me. What I have found a lot of times, man, it's hard to take friendships and do business. It's hard to. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's a lot harder to do business with people and then become friends. It's a lot easier to do that and it works out more often. Again, I have friends that I've done business with and things have worked out, but I have friends I've done business with and it didn't work out. And it's always going to be based on that specific person's perspective. A lot of times, neither one of us are wrong. We just don't sync. But typically what I have found is that friends doing business together don't work out nearly as often as people who do business together and become friends. Obviously, I'm talking about like acquaintances turning into real friendships. That's all I got for the topic of how do you know whether a business partner is right for you or not. So I'm in Best Buy. I was thinking about doing this. Thinking about getting one of them key lights. I have this, the Stream Deck. This thing right here is everything. Makes life so much easier when you're live streaming. But I was thinking about getting a cam card to make things easier, smoother. Cam like 4K. This makes things smoother, even though I can do it now. Because I use an app called eCam, but I don't know. Sometimes my camera doesn't stay connected and it's getting annoying. I feel like with something like that, it would stay connected. Then I was gonna get one of these. To hold my microphone up, just to have a nice, more comfortable setup. But I don't know, then I feel like I got a whole bunch of separate things and I really wanted something that would integrate together much easier. I might get this arm. That one's 55 bucks. Nah, I'm gonna get the one that I want online. It's like a all-in-one solution for everything that you need. But I hate to make this trip for no reason, so I'm gonna look for a surround sound. Bro, you really can't make this up. I went all the way out here, 30 minutes away, and forgot my wallet. And forgot my damn wallet. That's how it be, guys. That's how it be. I be feeling like I'm all over the place, doing a lot of nothing. That's why I be feeling like never enough. So my sisters and my mother's in town now. I'm dropping off toothbrushes to my kids at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got caught up at the warehouse, spent way too much time over there. Head to my sister's house to drop off these toothbrushes to my kids. Then head to the new house to work on tonight's video for the Academy, a live tutorial, finish off a video for YouTube. And then I'm gonna continue to work on the new house so that we can be ready to move in. Hopefully by the end of next week. That's the idea. And I'll show you guys the before and after. We put in so much work in this house. It looks completely different from when we bought the house. There you can see a beautiful view of my city, Tampa. I love this city so much, man. I couldn't live nowhere else. I didn't really appreciate Tampa Bay as much as I should have, man. Before I started traveling and stuff, probably went to the beach once in like 3 years, in a 3-year stretch. Never really went to Busch Gardens. Never really checked out downtown St. Pete, or like, there's a lot of places I haven't seen in Tampa for a long time. I gained another appreciation for my city when I started traveling every week. You know, 2, 3, 4, sometimes 4 cities in a week. Really made me appreciate my city, man. I'm blessed out here, man, for a lot of different reasons. Guys, I think it's been like 2 months since I've gotten a haircut. My hair is insane right now. Honestly, I probably think about it every once in a while just because my mom be racing, bro. I'm not a big fan of the Supra. I don't know about y'all. I felt disappointed about the Supra. I thought it was gonna be bigger. It just don't do it for me, man. Supra was a disappointment, especially when you saw like early, like leaked images and videos of what was supposed to be the Supra, and then they came out with that. That thing is tiny, like a damn borderline Mazda Miata. What y'all doing together?
How you living, bro?
What y'all doing together?
Minding our damn business.
Y'all see how they treat me? Y'all see how they treat me?
Hey man, you need another haircut.
Who?
You.
I know I need a haircut. What you think you need?
You got me?
You look stupid. You got me? Yo,
Yeah,
I do need to cut you up. I want it straight. I don't want natural.
Don't worry, it's not gonna look natural. It's not gonna look natural, I promise.
There it is, guys. The tutorial y'all been waiting on is finally coming. Oh, and the video's about to be way more lit because this is going to Georgie in Serbia. Shout out to Georgie. He getting a new laptop. His editing is about to be insane.
What is this?
Is that all the information you need? It's international.
How much is this?
It's cool?
Yeah, it's good.
Why does it matter how much it is?
Because if it is valued over $2,500, you have to have a special clearance form for it.
Golly. All right, there's a nugget from Dre. See, Dre doesn't realize how important he is and how much information he has packed in that big ass head. He doesn't realize. Sometimes he be on, you know.
That's why he has
Yo,
the
hold on,
long
real
hair
quick.
for extra space.
The crazy thing about how big my head is the back of my head is pretty flat.
It's flat.
So like if I had a nugget back here, oh my god,
Bro,
my head
yeah.
would look like Fonz's.
It would look like
Pretty
Fonz's.
flat, bro. When I was editing my video, bro, I was like, damn, bro, you got a flat ass hair.
But imagine if it wasn't flat, then it would be as big as yours. And then you couldn't wear like
Couldn't wear a hat.
I struggle
He
with that
can't wear
now.
Tomb45
Let me
hats.
see let me see your hat.
You can only
You
wear.
don't want to. It's got sweat all over. Look at all that sweat. That's from hard work. All right, guys. Yo, I'm out of here.
That's it?
That's it.
That's all we're good for? A quick video clip.
He said I never texted him. That's how it be, bro. I mean, missed calls and text messages I be having to catch up on. So if I haven't answered your text, I'm sorry. It's not just you. It's me.
Trying to click start.
Some of these came with the nails, the stair noses.
From with nails, and then I don't know what that thing is.
Yeah, that is. And then some of them didn't come with it at all. Hey, I don't know if y'all remember this dude right here. Show your face, Ray. I don't know if y'all remember him from the reaction video. He gonna get back on the reactions with me. It was good to have him on and having a non-barber opinion on some barber-related matters. My brother-in-law and my sister and my mother, they all moved back. Super happy about that. They're like 5 minutes down the road from me. Very happy. But now what we gonna do is do this unboxing right here. StyleCraft sent me some stuff. I didn't open this box. I think my wife did, so I don't know what's in it. So stay tuned for that. Let's see what's in there. All right, y'all, so I went and copped this mouse right here. This is like my favorite mouse, the MX Master. I had the 2, now I got the 3. Upgraded it since my 2 broke on me. So I'm excited to see what this 3 is about. I'm gonna create this content. Honestly, I'm really excited to get this move over with, man. It's almost done. We almost done. That way I can get back to this grind, man. All right, so definitely.
All right, here we go. What is this? Wireless beard and styling brush. Dang. StyleCraft and Gamma come out with so many products, bro. So snap. New guards, double magnets. Okay, we're gonna see how these hit with the X Ergos. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. I've been waiting on these. Damn. I've heard a lot of good things about these. I've heard a lot of good things about these. Extreme air pressure. All right, I will let you guys know what I think about both of these products. Let's see how these feel. Oh, they got some weight to them. Not really, but they don't feel cheap, that's for sure. All right, it's got a cover to it, so that's pretty sanitary. Nice design. Let's check these out. Wow, this thing is small. This thing is tiny, small. Probably the one I'm gonna use. Bro, it is scary how small this thing is. And light. And come with 4 of these things. Diffuser. Man. I'm actually very excited to use these. All right, so definitely, damn, and I need a cut. Definitely going to have a review of these products. I'll probably link up with Fonz or something and do a review. All right, guys, it's my sister's birthday. I gotta head out of here. But guys, look, the office is coming together. I need some cable management. If anybody can help me, can offer me a cool cable management system, a video that I should check out, because your boy definitely needs it. But yeah, man, that's the vlog, guys. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. And I will see you guys on the next video.